Welcome to our channel, where we empower individuals to thrive in their personal and professional lives. Today's topic is a crucial one: how to make people respect you, even if you're naturally quiet. Being quiet doesn't mean you can't command respect. It's all about leveraging your strengths and communicating effectively. In this video, we'll explore practical strategies to help you gain the respect you deserve. Part 1. Understanding the dynamics of respect. Before diving into strategies, let's understand what respect truly means. Respect isn't about being the loudest voice in the room. It's about earning admiration and esteem through your actions, character, and competence. Quiet individuals often possess valuable qualities like thoughtfulness, attentiveness, and depth. Recognize that being quiet doesn't diminish your worth or capabilities. Respect is earned through actions, character, and competence, not by being the loudest voice. Quiet individuals possess valuable qualities like thoughtfulness and depth. Recognizing your worth and capabilities is essential for earning respect from others. Part 2. Embrace your authenticity. The first step to earning respect as a quiet individual is to embrace your authentic self. Don't try to force yourself to be someone you're not. Instead, focus on developing and showcasing your unique strengths. Whether it's your keen observation skills, insightful perspectives, or calm demeanor, authenticity breeds respect. Embracing who you truly are instead of trying to conform to societal expectations. Recognizing and valuing your unique strengths, whether it's your observation skills or insightful perspectives. Authenticity breeds respect as people appreciate sincerity and genuineness. Part 3. Cultivate confidence. Confidence is key to commanding respect. While you may not be the most outspoken person in the room, confidence in your abilities and ideas will make others take notice. Practice self-affirmations, set achievable goals, and celebrate your successes, no matter how small. Remember, confidence is contagious, and others will naturally gravitate towards those who exude it. Confidence in your abilities and ideas is key to commanding respect. Practice self-affirmations, set achievable goals, and celebrate successes to boost confidence. Confidence is contagious and makes others take notice of your presence and contributions. Part 4. Master the art of active listening. One of the most powerful ways to earn respect is by becoming an exceptional listener. Quiet individuals often excel in this area as they tend to be more attentive and empathetic. Practice active listening by maintaining eye contact, nodding in agreement, and asking thoughtful questions. People will respect you for valuing their thoughts and opinions. Active listening involves being fully present, maintaining eye contact, and showing empathy. Quiet individuals often excel in this area due to their attentiveness and empathy. People feel respected when they know their thoughts and opinions are valued. Part 5. Choose your words wisely. When you do speak, make sure your words carry weight. Quiet individuals often have a knack for saying just the right thing at the right time. Avoid filler words and unnecessary chatter. Instead, speak with clarity, precision, and purpose. Your words will command respect when they're thoughtful and impactful. Speaking with clarity, precision, and purpose instead of filling the silence with unnecessary chatter. Avoiding filler words and distractions to ensure your message is impactful. Thoughtful and intentional communication commands respect and attention. Part 6. Lead by example. Actions speak louder than words, especially for quiet individuals. Whether it's at work, school, or within your community, strive to lead by example. Demonstrate integrity, reliability, and professionalism in everything you do. When others see your dedication and competence, They'll naturally respect you as a leader, demonstrating integrity, reliability, and professionalism in your actions, setting a positive example for others to follow through your work ethic and dedication. Actions speak louder than words, especially for quiet individuals. Part 7. Establish boundaries. Respect starts with self-respect. Don't be afraid to set boundaries and assert yourself when necessary. Whether it's declining additional responsibilities at work or standing up for your beliefs in social settings, knowing your limits shows others that you value yourself. People are more likely to respect those who respect themselves. Knowing and asserting your limits to show self-respect. Setting boundaries in work and personal life to prevent burnout and maintain balance. People respect those who respect themselves and their needs. Part 8. Seek opportunities for growth. Continuous self-improvement is essential for earning respect. Take advantage of opportunities to learn new skills, expand your knowledge, and challenge yourself. Whether it's through formal education, professional development workshops, or personal hobbies, investing in yourself demonstrates your commitment to growth and excellence. Continuous self-improvement through learning new skills and expanding knowledge. Investing in personal and professional development to demonstrate commitment to growth. Growth mindset shows resilience and adaptability, earning respect from peers. Part 9. Foster meaningful connections. Building strong relationships is crucial for gaining respect in any setting. While you may not be the most outgoing person, focus on cultivating genuine connections with others. Find common interests, show genuine interest in their lives, and offer support when needed. Authentic relationships are built on mutual respect and understanding. Building genuine relationships based on mutual respect and understanding, showing interest in others' lives, finding common ground, and offering support. Authentic connections lead to a supportive network that respects your contributions. Part 10. Be patient and persistent. Earning respect as a quiet individual won't happen overnight. It requires patience, perseverance, and consistency. Don't be discouraged by setbacks or moments of self-doubt. Stay true to yourself, continue honing your strengths, and trust that respect will naturally follow over time. Remember, respect isn't given, it's earned through your actions, character, and competence. Thank you for watching, and we wish you success on your journey to commanding respect as a quiet individual.